Today I have a SP LaserJet P2035 printer, and this printer problem is paper jam problem. You can see here is a paper is blocked, and let's check this. Where is open the paper and turn on the flash, and you can see this paper jam area, and this is the paper jam condition, and here is some paper is bended inside. Okay, and today I'll fix this printer very simple and easy way. Hopefully you will like this video. Okay viewers, let's start. And this paper is bended inside. Okay, cartridge area paper jam problem, and this problem comes from the fusel film, and maybe this printer fusel grease has gone dry, that's why it's blocking the paper. And here is some connector, and it's open. And after that I'll open this gear from this here. Okay, this gear also very easily, and this just pull it the outside. I will open 4D screw. This fusel film got damaged, and you can see this here. Here is some spot on the rubbing spot on the fusel film, and this side also. I have to open this. Just open it. Here is one screw. This one is the very top to open the spring, and you just hold the spring any loose player and pull it, and this is easy. And this side also same way, and I need to open this gear from here. Okay, let's open. I will use some thinner for cleaning, and this is the thinner. Okay, these are old fusel film, and you can see this here is the spot, and this set also, and this one is new. Okay, this one is very good quality fusel film, and I will use some fusel oil. It will not much more, not less. You have to use this accurately. Set up this. If you have any confusion that this special will be work or not, and you just check it, just take a plain paper and hold this here and rotate this, and if it is work, definitely it will work. Okay, our fusel film installation is complete. Let's set up it here. Okay, our printer is ready. Give the test page. You can see this perfectly printed. Okay, boss, thanks for watching.